Hey everyone, it's Carve Enchanted Vines, and I wanted to share with you a little bit about the next kit collaborations that I'm going to be doing with TMI Gifts because they're all around celebrations. So the first one up is going to be geared towards welcoming a baby girl into this world. And of course, these do not need to exclusively be used for that. However, when my daughter was born, my parents brought in an artificial floral arrangement and it stayed in her room for probably 10 years. We still have it, and it's just a very sentimental piece. So I wanted to create something that was very easy to make for anybody who wants to have something sentimental that was made from the heart that they could share with their loved one. Okay, so this is going to be our base. These are going to be our florals. Okay, so we have 2 bushes of these ranunculus. Okay, we all know that they have been having a moment. It ain't going away. We are loving the ranunculus. Okay, we have our greenery. It is not ficus, but it is very close. And if you know me, you know ficus is my favorite F word. Okay, this is actually, I gotta look so I don't botch it, but this is wisteria. So I'm gonna take a little break from the ficus, but I really like this, okay? Then we have our clematis leaves. Okay, so we have 2 of these bushes. Then we have, as our filler florals from David Christopher, we have some Queen Anne's lace, and this stuff looks like the real deal. All right, beautiful. And then, you know, I'm very picky about berries. Okay, we have these beautiful berries. Okay, they have a little dusting of the pink with the cream. All right, and so this is going to be our baby girl kit, or our pink arrangement. Again, does not need to be specific to that. All right. Lots of stuff packed in here. This is going to be great for you, whether you're an experienced designer or you're a beginner DIYer. I promise your arrangement's going to come out beautiful. Then, because in order for the world to go round and round, we got to have some boys. So, we have almost the same kit, but we are starring in blue. All right, so we are going to have 2 bushes of our ranunculus. Again, I love these, love these. We are going to have the same amount of our Queen Anne's lace, our wisteria, and I lied. One of these bushes, one of the clematis bushes was for here. I am a liar. And then for here we have our blue filler bush. Okay, so also we're going to be using the same base. So I'm probably going to do these as 2 separate lives. The arrangements are going to look very much similar, but this is all just part of, you know, again, a little bit of a celebration series. So these kits full price are $80 or like $79.95, something like that. With the promo code CARA20, you save 20%. And because I can't do math, I did it in advance. So these kits only cost $64 a piece. If you just order them on their own, the shipping is free. So even if you're going to go back and shop and buy some other things, because let's be honest, we all kind of roam and then we see some ribbon and all that, you want to place that order separate so you don't get charged for shipping. So you would get all of this stuff, whether you're going to do the kit or you want to go rogue, you want to do anything, for $64. So this is a great value. Okay, so this is the Prince, our sweet little Prince kit, and that is our Princess kit. And then after this, we have one more celebration, which is going to be something for, maybe it's for our bride. It is going to be a beautiful white centerpiece that whether you just have a monochromatic home, you have a bridal shower, you want something for wedding centerpieces. I've had a whole bridal party create centerpieces months in advance. So there's so many things you can do with these. These kits are all on the website. They are all limited quantities. So again, if you want to visit TMI Gifts, promo code CARA20, save 20%. Make sure that you purchase these individually just so that you don't have to pay for shipping. But these 2 kits are $64. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I am going to be designing the girls kit on Tuesday, August 18th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I hope you can join me whether you're doing the kit or not. It's always great to just, you know, I mean, you guys knew it was somewhere, right? Like, who am I kidding? So grab a glass of wine, tea, whatever you fancy, and come join me on YouTube, and we will do some designing, some laughing, being a little fresh, all those things, okay? Hope to see you guys there.